Hey everyone, Alexander Mathias here from SaxophoneMasterclass.com. In today's video, I'm going to take you through 5 easy songs that you can play on the saxophone for beginners with only 6 notes. The songs I'm going to cover in this video are Hot Cross Buns, Mary Had a Little Lamb, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, When the Saints Go Marching In, and London Bridge is Falling Down. Now, if you've been following my free beginner course, Saxophone from Scratch, you're actually going to know how to play these notes and you're going to know what the fingerings are. If you haven't been following that, you can just click the link in the description to go to the YouTube playlist, or you can go to saxophonemasterclass.com/beginners and get access to that right now. However, as I play these songs for you, you're going to see all the fingerings come up on the screen as I play. The idea is that you can stop and start the video and learn at your own pace. Now, if you want your own copy of all of these fingerings, as well as the sheet music with the note names written in, you can go to saxophonemasterclass.com/5 easy saxophone songs, and you can download that right now, so you can follow along a lot easier as you're watching this video. I really hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly videos. Also, comment below if there's anything else you want me to cover or if you have any questions.